Okay, now in the validation series we will see the validating the numeric value range limit. That means here in a pin code we have added only the numeric length and only the digit, like we cannot enter less than 6 digits or more than 6 digit, and also we can enter only 6 digits. Now what about certain fields which require precise or particular kind of number? For example, here in a age I cannot add 0 or I cannot add any number of digits like 4 digit 5 digit value, because age can be maximum 100 105 102 1010, sorry 110, that is. Okay, so here I am validating the actual numeric value range, right? Means I can add only 5 to 25, 5 to 35, that kind of value range we can validate over here, right? So for that again we will go to coding. Here our text box is changing, so again I am creating a new variable z, that is equal to document dot frm dot, what is the name of control? Surname age, that is name is age only. Okay, so I am writing here age dot value, right? Okay, so before we add a numeric weightage I have to check whether it is empty or not. So if z double equals to blank or z double equals to null, alert, please enter age. Okay, so again document dot frm dot age dot focus, return false. Now let us see file, save. You can see please enter age. Now suppose here I am entering 99, suppose, then also it is accepted. Now I want to validate the age, that is it cannot be less than 5 years and it cannot be larger than 35 years, suppose. So I can make a range over here, that is if, and I am using a function parse int z greater than 35 or parse int z less than 5. I can give alert over here, please enter the age between 5 and 20, 35 only. Document dot frm dot age dot focus, return false. Okay, let us check again, file, save. Please enter the age. Suppose I am adding 56. You can see please enter the age between 5 and 35 only. Suppose I am adding 4 or 3. Please enter the age between 5 and 35 only. Okay, So here I am adding 434 and then only it will be submitted. Okay, so this is a validation on numeric field with the numeric weightage. Fine. Okay.